Of cutting hair with fire is an interesting and strange traditional practice that is practiced in some parts of China. This custom dates back centuries, where fire was used as a means of styling hair and trimming split ends. Here is a detailed description of this unique process. The barber begins by washing and drying the hair thoroughly. The hair is made sure that it is clean and free of any oils or chemicals that may be flammable. The hair is divided into small sections to make it easier to control during the burning process. The sections are tightly secured using clips or ties. A small torch or candle is used to light the fire. The flame should be steady and not strong to avoid burns or serious damage. The barber begins by quickly passing the flame over the split ends of the hair. The goal is to burn only the split ends without causing significant damage to the underlying hair. This requires great skill and precision to avoid burning the hair or scalp. After the burning process, the burned ends are trimmed using sharp scissors. This helps to get rid of